Remarkable how much difference it looks now that we got all that cloud cover out of the way. That bright sunny weather causing our temperatures to spike a good 10 to 15 degrees compared to 24 hours ago. We're going to stay locked into this quiet weather pattern through the weekend, so not likely to see the weather changing too much now that we've got everything to clear out and all that rain from yesterday is well off to our east. So for right now, 76, looking at a partly cloudy sky. Rest of this evening has the 70s up until about sunset, and then it's the 60s after that, so cooling off fairly quickly once we get beyond sunset. By the way, equal amounts of daytime and nighttime today. 6:47 a.m. was the sunrise, 6:47 p.m. is the sunset. More details on that coming up during our WeatherWise segment at 6 o'clock. Later tonight, much of the same compared to last night. Upper 40s for another night in a row. We have a mainly clear sky and some patchy fog. Not likely to be as dense as last night, though, so less of a road hazard, but you're still looking at some foggy conditions every so often, so be careful with that going into tomorrow. And then, just like today, sunny and warm. We're approaching 80 degrees, putting us a bit above average, but still looking at some pretty comfortable fall conditions for another day in a row. Now, all the warmth is great to get outdoors. We'll have that well through the weekend and into early next week, so the weather doesn't really change up much. Just like we've seen a lot of this month, very quiet weather pattern sticking around for nearly a week, so the weather's going to be pretty consistent moving forward. Minimal impacts out of Helene. If anything, some clouds on Saturday. That is about it. Not likely to get any rainfall out of the leftovers of that tropical system. Now, all that sunshine and the warm weather especially make it easier to get outdoors. It does harm one thing we like during the fall season, though. Our nights are warming up due to human-caused climate change, so we're up 2.5 degrees compared to 50 years ago during those overnight hours. We need the cool nights because that impacts the fall colors. When we have nice cool nights, it really enhances those fall colors. The warmer our nights get, the duller the fall colors get. So because of climate change, our fall colors not looking as bright as they used to because our nights are so much warmer. Now, thankfully, the last couple nights have been better in that regard. We got some cooler weather next week, but a lot of warmth lately, likely delaying that fall color as well as muting it somewhat. A detailed breakdown live right now on WREX.com. Search for the WeatherWise tab. As we move forward, we've got warming weather, so not too many cool nights move forward. The days look comfortable, though, with partly cloudy to mostly sunny weather, highs near 80. Saturday the exception, though, looking a little cloudy because of the leftovers of Hurricane Helene. Check out next week, though. Monday, 80, then the 60s return in your most accurate 10-day forecast. We go into October, and we've got that cool fall weather back, maybe in the upper 60s a little more often than not. So the new month brings in true fall weather as we may escape it for a couple days here.